welcome. Today we are going to do a full face of makeup with Maybelline products. So Maybelline is a well-known brand, everyone knows about it. It is of great quality and it is affordable. Today we are going to do a full face of makeup with the Maybelline products which I have. So let us get started. So Maybelline has a lot of makeup products, so I have some of them which are really great and I use it regularly. It gives you a beautiful finish for your face. So we will start with the primer, and for primer I'll be using the Fit Me primer. This is the Matte Plus Poreless primer, which is for normal to oily skin. So there is primer for dry skin as well, and this has SPF 20. So this primer is very lightweight, it blends in very beautifully and it covers your pores. And this is one of the really best primer which is available, which you can get it at affordable price, and it gives a great finish for your skin, and it lets your makeup last for a really long time. And for oily skin people, this is really great because it definitely doesn't make your face oily even after a very long time use of the makeup. So let's move on to the concealer. So I have two variants. This is the Age Rewind Concealer and this is the Fit Me Concealer. So Age Rewind Concealer I have of shade Caramel. So I use this very often for a really quick makeup. It covers your dark circles very beautifully and your pigmentation around your mouth. So just this and some compact, you're done with your makeup. So I use this very regularly. And this one I use it occasionally, and this is also of great quality. It blends in beautifully and gives a very nice finish. I have two shades. So one is 40 Caramel and the other one is 30 Honey. So today I'll be trying this. So 40 Caramel is actually a little bit, a darker shade, almost similar to my skin tone. So I will use that to cover my, dark circles and the pigmentation. And the 30 Honey, I'll use it for highlighting purpose. I usually use a darker shade of concealer before the foundation. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll use this 40 Caramel now. I will use a concealer brush, and this concealer brush is from PAC. So this blends in really beautifully. It's very lightweight compared to the Age Rewind Concealer. Next we'll move on to the foundation. Again, I have two variants. So this is the Fit Me foundation and this is the Superstay foundation. So the shades which I have is 312. I had a lot of dilemma about selecting the shade in Maybelline because 330 is the exact shade as my skin, but Maybelline foundation oxidizes, and for oily skin people it definitely oxidizes more. I have tried and it makes my face feel more darker when I use 330. So that's where I tried 312, and this is of a great match. Initially it looks lighter, but as the day goes and as it oxidizes, it get adjust to your skin tone beautifully. So 312 is my shade. So these two foundations are really great. So this is like it has 16 hours oil control and it has SPF 22, and this one is a 30-hour foundation and it's a full coverage foundation. Both these are really great, but today I'll be using the Fit Me foundation. I've done a detailed review about the Superstay foundation. You can definitely have a look at it. Shade wise, I feel both are same. This might be a little lighter and the oxidization level is lesser in Superstay, I feel. But anyways, today let's use this Fit Me foundation, and this is of shade 312 Golden. So this foundation blends in very beautifully. I've used it a lot. So one of the really best, drugstore foundation. So as I said, it definitely will look light initially, but as it oxidizes, it will give you a beautiful finish after some time. And the coverage is also really great, but comparatively Superstay has a full coverage. This is a kind of a medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up, but I'm not going to use a lot today. Now I'll use this 30 Honey Concealer just on the high points to give a highlighting look. So I'll use very little. I'll use a little bit on my eyes as well. So I use it as a base for my eye makeup. So that is the base from the Maybelline product. So to set this base products, I'm going to be using this compact from Maybelline Fit Me again. And this is of a shade Sun Beige. And I'll be using this puff to set it. So they have the loose powder as well, which is really great. But that is over from my end. It's empty. So I'll be using this compact today. So I'm using this puff and I'll just dab it to set the base products. So this is like an on-the-go, compact. It's really great. It covers, your imperfections very beautifully. So for a quick makeup, this is an amazing product. It gives you a nice matte finish and it definitely lasts for a long time. Next, let's move on to the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I'll be using this City Mini palette from Maybelline, and this is of shade Westside Roses. These are the shades which are available. Most of it are shimmery. There are just 2 matte shades. I don't use much shimmery shades. But anyways, let's try to do a simple makeup with this. So I'm going to be using this shade to, just to create the crease. Now I'll use this shade on the outer corners. So these shades are not very highly pigmented according to me. It's like okay, it gives you a light finish. Next I will use this shade for the inner corner. So this is a shimmery shade. And for eyeliner, I'll be using this Colossal eyeliner from Maybelline. I don't use much eyeliner because I have hooded eyes and it doesn't really look that great. Even if I use it very close to my lash line. So that's what I'm going to do it now. And this one is really great. It lasts for a long time. Okay, that's it. So this is the maximum I do with eyeliner. So for kajal, I'm going to be using this, Lasting Drama gel eyeliner. So this is a gel eyeliner. I'm going to be using this for kajal. I'm applying it very lightly, not too much. Now I'll use this shade and I'll use it in the lower lash line. Next to mascara, I have 2 mascaras from Maybelline. So this is the Sky High mascara, which is like super viral nowadays. And this is the Colossal mascara. Both of them are really great. This one definitely lasts for a really long time and it gives you a nice volume. This one as well gives you a nice volume and this is waterproof. The thing is, Sky High mascara is really great. It lasts for a long time, as I said, and it is a little bit difficult to remove, is what I feel compared to Maybelline. So today I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal mascara. Now let's do some blush and highlighting. So for blush, I have this Fit Me blush and this is of shade Revolutionary. And this shade is really great for a medium to deep skin tone. And for highlighter, I have this Master Chrome highlighter, which is like super famous and I really love this one. So that is the shade. So as you can see, it gives you a nice subtle shade, which I really loved it. So this shade is really lovely. I've used it a lot and I really love this shade. Now let's use the highlighter. So before I use it on my face, I'll use it first in the inner corner of my eyes and below my eyebrows. Now I'm using this fan brush. You can see that glow there. That's like so beautiful. So this is my top favorite highlighter. Next, we'll move on to lipsticks. So I have a lot of Maybelline lipsticks, but I've chosen two to talk about today. So this is the Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, and this is of shade Initiator. And this is the Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick, and this is of shade Lippy. Both of these are great. It lasts for a longer time. This gives you a nice matte finish, and this gives you a nice glossy finish. I like both these lipsticks. So today we'll try this Lippy lipstick. So it is super highly pigmented, and it gives you a nice glossy finish. It will be a little bit sticky initially, but after some time it will get settled and it gives you a nice glossy finish, and it doesn't transfer as well. Even if it is glossy, it doesn't transfer. So that's something good about this lipstick. So this is the full face of makeup with the Maybelline products which I have. So Maybelline has a lot other products as well, which you can definitely give it a try. So they are of great quality and it is affordable. So everyone can definitely try these products. So I will provide the details of the products which I have used in the description box. You can have a look at them. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.